I'm going to show you the general usage of any drawing type using the Trendline tool. Most of the other drawing tools can be used the same way. First, click on the Trendline tool icon to activate it. Hold the left mouse button down on the chart to start drawing a trend line. Position your mouse pointer at the end of the intended line and release the mouse button to complete the line. The selected trend line has small markers at each of the ends. While the Trendline tool is active, you can create more trend lines in the same way. The currently selected trend line appears highlighted compared to the other darker trend lines. To modify an existing trend line, first highlight it by hovering over it with your mouse cursor. Click on the trend line to select it. Notice the selection indicator boxes at the line endpoints. To move one of the line endpoints, click and drag the marker at the endpoint and move to the new position. To move the whole trend line without changing its slope, click and drag at the middle of the line. To delete the currently selected trend line, press the Delete key or click on the Delete icon at the top right. To delete not only the trend lines, but all drawings on the current chart, click the Chart Data icon and select the Delete All Drawings from the pop-up menu. A pop-up dialog box will ask you to confirm this delete action. The following functions are only available for trend lines. To copy a trend line, hold down the Shift key and drag the middle of the trend line. This creates a new trend line that you can move. You can copy the trend line any number of times. The next function is useful for quickly creating small horizontal support lines. When you hold down the Shift key while moving one end of the trend line, the line will remain horizontal. This allows you to quickly create small horizontal support lines. The drawings have other customization options. The actual options are different for each drawing type. Here I'll show you the customization options of trend lines. First, let's create a new trend line. The Drawing Settings toolbar at the top shows the options for the selected trend line. Click on one of the style icons to change the color and line style. To change the available styles, click on the Trendline Settings icon. You can set up to 4 different line colors and line styles. After clicking the OK button, you can see that the available line styles has changed. There is more information on the Drawings Settings toolbar for each drawing type. If a trend line is selected, you can see the line slope, the bar count and the price difference in ticks or cents between the two endpoints. While you move the trend line, these values are updated in real time. While the Trendline tool is active, you can only select trend lines on the chart. You cannot select horizontal lines, pitchforks or any other drawing type. If you want to make changes to different existing drawings, you can use the Select tool. While the Select tool is active, you can select any type of drawing, and you can make any changes to the selected drawing. To deselect the current drawing and switch back to the Select tool, click on an empty area of the chart. Now we can select another drawing. The current selected drawing is highlighted. When you are done changing, click on an empty chart area again. Now let's select this trend line. I'm creating a copy of this by holding the Shift key. The Trendline tool is still active and all its functionality is available, so we can create more trend lines. And can also change the line style or copy the trend line to create a new one. Click on an empty chart area to switch back to the Select tool. If you want to delete an individual trend line, select it and click on the delete icon. Select another trend line and delete that as well. After deleting a drawing, the Select tool is activated automatically. In this way, you can quickly make changes to your drawings.